Everyone, this is Apadvani. Today in this video I'm going to explain how you can configure the custom domains that you add to CoAlias. So let's get started. In this video we'll use Bubble as an example app. So imagine you have Bubble and that domain has a primary domain.com connected to it. So that would be like where most of your traffic goes. So you have people visiting primary domain, it loads the app. Then of course you decide, hey, I want custom domains. So you start adding your custom domains to it. You point them to CoAlias, of course, and CoAlias make sure that they're visible. When you do that, of course, it will just like take the pages that are in your primary domain, show them, take the data, show them, just like it is. But you might want to show a different title in search engines for your customer domain, then your European domain, then customer 1, then customer 2, and that's where the personalization of CoAlias comes in. So what you can do is you can ask CoAlias to personalize the domain before it returns the traffic to the visitor. So for example, one of the things we can do is we can customize the homepage we want to show. So if a user goes to mycustomer.primarydomain.com, you can say to CoAlias, hey, don't just give back the root domain, but give back another domain. So let's actually go into CoAlias. So this is the simple configuration. You see this when you click on a domain. And the first option is actually setting the home page. So what we can do is when someone visits mytestdomain.testhost.app/, we can say, hey, please then load landing page.customer1. And when we do that, the user will get to see this page, but in the URL you will still see slash. So that's the way CoAlias is able to personalize how domains are previewed by a visitor. So you won't need to like redirect the user to that page or something, but you can just tell CoAlias, hey, when someone goes to the root of a primary domain and tries to visit the home page, don't show them the home page, but show them a different page, and without any URL changes, the user will be able to see that. And CoAlias will figure out if you go to different pages, what it needs to visualize in the browser. To then, of course, also personalize how CoAlias is previewed in search engines and on social media. So by default, CoAlias will just get the default tags that are set up in your no-code app and show them. But what you can do is you can go to CoAlias and you say, hey, I want a different favicon, I want a different title, description, image. You save that and CoAlias will automatically show that whenever the user visits that domain. So you don't have to figure that out or show the same information across all the domains. And that's, of course, what customers want. You can also customize, hey, what crawlers can and can't visit the CoAlias domain. And you can also configure other advanced rules. So we have a lot of rules that are in CoAlias and are available. We can find them here, where you can add routes. So you can say if someone goes to page X, pricing page, show them this page. So that's what's also used to set the home page in the background. You can set up custom files, so can generate sitemaps or other files you need. We can customize the meta tags and OG tags for different pages, set up redirects, add custom response headers, improve the SEO of pages by caching them and inject code into pages. So there's a lot you can do with CoAlias, and I'll create other videos where we go deeper into all of these features. For now, I think the most important part I wanted to focus on was the simple configuration. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope this gives you a good idea how configuring a domain in CoAlias works and how you can get the most out of it. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.